Hello, my name is Gilbert Vargas Cano. Pertenezco a la Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia, UNAD, del curso de English 3.
What's your name?
My name is Gilbert Vargas. My name is Gilbert Vargas.
How do you spell your family name?
Is D A excuse me. Is Dargas.
Where are you from?
I am from Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am studying at the moment.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Yes, I am interested.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I enjoy paint and work.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I didn't practice more.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Learn any languages. Thank you for your attention. Bye.